We are going to see about aggregate windows functions in detail. So this is the data that we have. There is product ID, the category, year, and the sales. So there are 2 items in electronics and 2 items under clothing. Now let's say I'm looking for the total sales, and this is the sale amount. I'm looking for all the details. Along with that, I'm looking for the total sales, the average of the total sales, this, and the max of the total sales over partition by category. Now first of all, let us do one thing. Let us not give partition by, for only sum. See, this is the total sales. It is 7 and 6, 7, 6, 13, 8 plus 5, another 13, so 26,000. Okay, so now here 26,000, and as you can see 26,000 appears across all. For the second one, average, I have specified partition by category. Coincidentally, what happens here is clothing is 13,000. Electronics, this also has the same amount. What I can do here is I can change the amount. Update sales data, set total sales is equal to 10,000, where product ID is equal to 2, and I will also change it where it is 5. Now let us see the result here. So here I am getting, see, for some I'm getting the total because I have specified here over. But then see what happens for average. For average, 10,000 plus 6,000. For clothing, I have specified partition by category. So it will take one category and it will show the average for each and every record. So this is one major difference that it comes to aggregate windows functions and normal aggregate functions using group by. Group by will collapse the result, but here it will not collapse the result. This will give me one record for every for the entire table. Okay, so that means it will have the same number of records as the table. Here I am getting the average sales per clothing. Here 8 plus 5, 13, 13 by 2, I am getting 6,500. Here 3,000, this is the average. When it comes to max, similarly for max also, it takes this basically as one window. This is taken as another window. This is taken as another window. If here I have
Miss,
specified,
excuse me.
what?
You are not sharing your screen.
Oh, sorry. So here this sum is taken as for the entire table. This is taken for clothing. This is taken for electronics. So here electronics has 8 plus 5, 13. This is taken from this. Similarly, when it comes to max also, this is my one window. So function gets applied for this. So 10,000 comma 6,000, max is going to be 10,000. Here 8 and 5, max is going to be 8,000, and that is what appears for all the rows that are there. So this is aggregate windows functions. We have sum, average, max, min. Also we have count, see this is over, so no partition by has happened and the same result appears for each and every record. If I say partition by category, then it shows me the number of records in those categories. So it is going to be 2 2 2 2 1.